Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change messages notification sounds on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to sounds and haptics. Tap on that and you will see the text tone option right there. So just tap on it, and here you could pick on the different sounds that you want to pick. So let's say you want to choose none, so just set it to none. You could also go to classic. There will be a lot more list of sounds or tones right here. Once you're done, you can just go out, and now it's set to that default or what you picked. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.